YouTube, this is Abdel Car Fix. This is a Camaro 2017 with a 6.2 SS model, and we're doing the alternator on it. There's a couple of videos out there. Maybe they're okay, not the best. Start with taking the negative terminal on the battery. Right there, that's the negative. Start with that. Then go to the alternator. Guys, the alternator has 2 bolts. I see some people say that 3 bolts. It has only 2 bolts. One on top, one on the bottom. This is basically what it goes. You see, one right here, one bolt right here, one bolt right here. That's it. There's 2 bolts. And you'll have to take once you take the belt off, you take the tensioner, 2 bolts of the tensioner, one on here and a small one on the other side. You'll get it out. You have your tensioner out. And then you start with, then after that, you guys go on the bottom and get those harness. I have a video I made for the to get the harness out and the positive terminal out, or the positive connection out from underneath, because you can't access from the top. And then when you get it out, you get it all the way to the top, and then you can't get it out. So what I did, I took the brackets for the radiator. Those are brackets right there, you see them? Take them and you need maybe 1/4 inch pull, just like that, and you can pop it out. So I did take the hose, the intake hose, the cold intake hose, and all the air pump. Also, I took it out, a couple of bolts. And then what I did, I used a pry bar and just pried it right here, just between the alternator and this bracket, and it came out. So it popped out and pulled it out. And now the reverse the procedure by putting this new alternator in. Okay, we're gonna squeeze it. We're gonna take it out and squeeze it right here. Okay, between these 2 bolts where it is. I know it's gonna be a tough one because there's no space down there. This is shitty design, you know. So this person was quoted $1,400 at the dealer to do it, and we charge him basically half of that to do it here. So alternator is very expensive. They're not cheap. They're about $400. So remember that. But again, you can do it. If you are mechanically inclined, you can do the job. And again, probably the hardest part is going to be is getting the alternator in there. That's probably the hardest job. Everything else probably should be, you know, easy, not too bad. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question about this video or any of this procedure, please feel free to text me or send me a message, and I will respond as soon as I can to you. I usually respond within 20 minutes, half an hour. I have my phone on me all day, so I will respond and give you ideas or tips how to tackle this job and get it done. I will do the best I can. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you do this job and you'll be successful at it. Thanks.